Hello people, welcome back to Eric Speed. Today we have some very interesting animals because there is an animal park, a small animal park, close to my home. Hey, how's it going? Hey, he noticed me. He's got a pretty awesome mane and he's coming over, saying hello to me. It goes like in a zigzag motion. Zig ah. Awesome. These aren't your everyday regular horses, you know? You're not regular, are you? No, they are not regular. Hello there. How's it going? I'm gonna say hello. They are really pretty. You're a pretty one. I'm being attacked by bugs again, sorry. What a pretty animal. Apparently, these horses are called Przewalski horses, or the Latin expression Equus Przewalski. And here we have some Persian gazelles, I believe. See them? There they are. Persian gazelles. Or maybe they are just Iranian, but they like to call themselves Persian, you know? I don't know. Persia doesn't exist anymore, but these are Persian. Is it Persian or Persian? I don't know. My English skills are slowly decreasing. Decreasing? No, it's decreasing. Oh my god. What is up with my S sounds? Can't tell you, but here they are. Beautiful creatures. There is a little one and his mother. So these are some goats from the Alps, from the mountains. I don't know, but I think that is a small child and its mother. And the mother is basically saying, I'm lying down now. Okay, let's move on. This dude is my spirit animal. He is just relaxing, you know, taking it easy. He likes to have his shade, you know, but he's also enjoying the sun, which is exactly me. And I lie around all day. I don't do too much. Sometimes I get really active, but that is not that often. So, yeah, you got the right way, dude. I salute you. Unicorn power, okay? The power to just lie down and do nothing. Totally knocked out, not moving more than they need to. It's really pretty here. I like it. Here you can see another Persian fellow, a Persian fallow deer. So he's a fellow and a fallow. Okay. Again, a beautiful environment. And here we are supposed to see a Rocky Mountain goat, but it is nowhere to be seen. So, yeah, the Rocky Mountain goat is the Dilophosaurus of this park. And here we have the European bison. Again, a mother and her child. I think over here we have some more. Hi guys, how's it going? Can you see them? Hello. And again, someone from Persia. Persia. Let's switch to French. Maybe I can pronounce some French.
On a gros de Perse français. Il y a 3 espèces d'ondes sauvages dans le monde. L'onde du Tibet, l'onde d'Afrique long d'Asie, long de Perse, habité dans le steppe et le désert aussi.
Something like that, okay? So it's an onager. It's an onager. I always thought that onagers were something that were used in medieval times, like a machine to destroy stuff, basically, shoot huge arrows, I don't know. But apparently onagers are also this. Yeah. So they are taking it easy. Walking through the woods, walking through the woods. People, I found the elk way. There's supposed to be an elk around here. Where is he? These are some amazing trees. I really like this a lot. I found the elk, people. And here you can see a really wild specimen. It is an Eric Speed. No, I'm totally harmless.
Or am I?
Hello there. Who are you? I have not seen a sign for you. Oh my god, he doesn't have anything to eat. That is so sad. People, I'm gonna hit the next shop and buy something for him because that is not okay. Yeah. This is bogus. Hey, hello there. You are beautiful. You all are. Really cool. Apparently it's a white-lipped deer.
Or un surf de Torolt. Le surf de Torolt aussi appelle le surf à bousseau plomb, à Peter Tupé en Chine.
Many, 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 many. Hey, Anna, this is for you, especially. Friend of mine who hasn't been able to go out for a walk in nature for quite some time and who misses it greatly. So yeah, a little nature for you. This should not be there. That is basically messing up my entire video. Okay. Never mind. Let's go on into nature, into the green unknown. This is so beautiful. Anna, I hope you enjoy this. Frogs. Frogs all over the place. I found a frog pond, people. Look at that, people. Anyway, people, I hope you liked my little tour. I hope you liked the animals and nature and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.